Now, so Psychotechnology, it's a entertainment company based in Russia, and we have more than 4 years experience in VR technology in entertainment. And 2 years ago, we just think about how we can, what we can do together with one of our partners. He's doctor, so we created MedVR. So MedVR is technology which help doctors educate and learn how to treat people easily in different ways. So we we are a simulator for doctors. So I want to show you some short video. It will be like this. It describes all that we have. So we're resident of Skolkovo, is like the Russian Silicon Valley. So this video describes how it's look like for a doctor. So we have our suit. Suit is super interesting because it's super light, and this suit can track your position in any direction easily with super good accuracy. So it's our R&D, it's our real office. So you can track you in space, see your arms and your legs. So you can easily, by using our algorithm, make super visualization of operation room. So we have just now we have two different simulators. It is a simulator with endoscopical surgery. So endoscopical surgery, we have physical simulator where you have tools for surgery. You have feedback. You have real sense of when you cut, for example, some skin, some different layers of skin, you can feel it. You can feel it just in your arms. So it's really good, and you see all this process in operation room. So you can collaborate with your teacher. You can collaborate with another doctors, and like making this surgery together and teach each other. So educate, and it's pretty good. We develop it on our technology, but we're using real popular technology like a hardware. So it's Oculus, so it's Magic Leap and other stuff. So we now solve problems because nowadays simulative medicine, it's a higher cost thing. You know, you need to buy like a mannequin, a robotic mannequin, and all these devices. It could be cost more than $1 million for one clinic. It's super overpriced, I think. So we just solve this problem easily. For us, we have different, not overpriced simulators, like you see it on video before. For example, for endoscopical surgery, it costs approximately $150,000. So it's pretty good. And content, it's just packages from internet. So it's okay. It's easy to upgrade, and and you see like a real person behavior with your activities. So if you do right, you see like liver inside people behavior with your tools. It's interesting. So, and we organize, we don't only sell this product like simulator, we organize process. So when you order this thing for your clinic or university, we help you to build process of education and help you bring everyday learning, everyday improving skills of your doctors, your students. It's pretty good, because now you just buy only this mannequin, this robotic thing, and that's all. And this one of the problem that I heard in China and even in Russia. So doctors don't know how to use it. So they have it, they already bought it, but they don't know how to use it. And we help this, we provide this service. So and of course, as I said, high cost of maintenance and modernization. It's really, when you have this hardware device like a mannequin robot thing, so it's really overpriced to repair or upgrade it. So with us, you have just simulator, and all upgrades come through the internet. So I just showed you a video. Yes. So no. It's like a psychosuit. As I mentioned, we implement this technology in a lot of different VR parks. So it's using now. It's already using technology, and this technology 4 years. So and unique thing that psychosuit and psycho tracking system, like you can make as big as you want the space. We can build the space even 10,000 square meters and track people inside it, and it will work. Nowadays there's no company who can do it. So, but it's used mostly in entertainment. So for MedVR, we can. So this points, I think I'll describe it briefly. Like, it's super real, because in VR we have Oculus 4K glasses. It's awesome. So you can see even small details, models. You can, it's like an open platform for developers, for methodists, for doctors who can create their content, upload it, and a lot of doctors in the world can just test it and improve. So if it's good, it's go in the market, and you can buy this content. So it could be different surgery of different cases. So it's pretty exciting. So really quick maintenance, so you can upgrade it easily, like monthly, or you can just purchase new content. It's super easy. So, and price, yes, as I said previously, price pretty good, and it does matter. So technology, yes, of course, we have our own technology, our own algorithm, our own framework working with this kind of VR content. So basically, we create this framework, and other content developers can use it. Just they can model different cases. So, and of course, team training. It's exciting because with nowadays tools like robotic things, so you can only invite people in your surgery room or operation room. So, and in one room, in one place, you need to collaborate. With our technology, with MedVR, you can use the internet and connect with best doctors from all around the world, and get new knowledge from them, and collaborate with your teammates or something like this. So even doctor from Beijing can teach doctor from South Africa, for example. So it does matter nowadays, because technology fast, but for medicine, technology for collaboration is super slow, and we solve this problem too. So we already created or model this kind of objects. It's tools. So, and we can and every so company and every developer, every engineer can create some kind of this tool for our simulator, and if we certify it, we can implement in our simulator. For example, every company or a medicine company which produce medical instruments, they can create simulation tools using our VR framework and using our hardware framework. So they can easily brought to the market their new projects and provide fast education. So it's brilliant, I think. And now we have created and patented this kind of tool. It's for endoscopical surgery. We create it with real feedback from the skin or the liver. So it's already working. It's patented in Russia and Europe Union. So yes, we have physics simulation. So if you touch some liver, you can its behavior like real thing inside a person. So and we have different simulators. So it's like a endoscopical surgery simulator. It is ophthalmological simulator, and we have virtual clinic where you can collaborate and simulate all process of clinic cases. So you can even have simple cases like some guy with flu. You can understand what with him, just make some kind of questionnaire, and you can make surgery with a team in one room, or some people could connect it through the internet. We already implemented our technology in different countries. So Saika, it's working company in entertainment segment. So and of course, so we have a lot of grants, and we have a lot of collaboration with top universities in Russia and Europe. We have Skolkovo residency, and we supported by a lot of doctors in Russia and Europe. So because they understand how it's important to have this tool in their everyday educational process. So I think it is future, and we just want to implement it in real education process in best universities. And I think China is this market in China. So this is best market for implementation, because I think you have such great speed in developing new technologies, in implementing new technologies, and we can easily provide this on your market. So it's okay.
Okay. So thank you so much. And so Sergey, so what are you looking for in China market? You're looking for investment and the sales partners or distributor partner?
So in China, at first, we need to have a good partner to set up our like a branch, so in China. And of course, we need to collaborate with huge universities and government structures, because that's how we can easily have contracts and implement this technology now. Of course, we want to have investment now. So it could be two ways, because it could be pre-seed investment, or it could be bigger investment. I have a presentation with these numbers. So It's for understanding. So at first, of course, we're looking for just to start $200,000 for just start our working on Chinese market, because we need to have some payments. Yeah.
So can I confirm that 200,000 US dollars, right?
Yes. Yes. It's like a pre-seed investment.
Pretty small.
Like not. No. Like seed investment.
The seed. Yes, the seed. But I think that's a small amount of money.
Yes, and it's first step we could have. So if we can rise, for example, just easily and right now, at in total for a first stage of our content and hardware developing, we need about $1 million. So because we need to create different kind of surgeries and two more simulator, like a hardware simulator, and we need to spend some money on marketing, like participating in different exhibition and so on. So 1 million, it's target number one now, because 200 I just asked because we need money just now, and company need money just now to run our branch in China. So, but we want to rise 1 million at all.
Okay. So
and for a 1 million, we can provide good condition.
Okay. So now, please email me or give me the WeChat about the investment information you are seeking the investment,
Yes.
and then what kind of a percentage of the holding percentage for the investors, everything, and then please send me via WeChat or email. And pretty important, because the potential partners will ask about this. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Since you have displayed the videos like endoscopy or ophthalmological, scope, everything like that. And do you have any other videos that you can show us, display for us?
No, because we don't have any more videos about these surgeries. So
Okay.
we have only video which describe our entertainment technology, but it's not about medical.
I would like to show you. Okay, I have one. I have downloaded from the YouTube. I have. Okay. Now, please, you cannot, get out of it. I will share the screen, and then.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Give it time. Now, this is the video you put on the YouTube. Is that right?
Yes, it's right.
Okay.
It's old one. Yes.
Okay.
This is kind of inside the surgery. You can see different part of this person, so you can see whole body. You can see even the face. So you can see like your assistant helps you with camera. So it's only you just walking in your glasses, and and everything is super interactive. Yes, you can see your hands.
Okay.
Yes, your every finger you can see it in real time. So yes, you can behave with uh, yeah, with liver, and it's pretty cool. Yeah, everybody loves it. Everybody loves to touch it in when we show it, because not so many people try to make real surgery. Yes, it's pretty interesting.
Yeah, sure. It's a very good simulator for the prospective doctors to practice more and more.
Yes, every day you can just put your glasses on and start a new case by case till success. So
Yes,
it's pretty cool.
That's it.
Thank you for sharing this video.
Yeah.
um,
So stop sharing.
okay.
Okay. So I would like to personally thank you for joining me to deliver so wonderful introduction of your virtual reality MDVR. And then I think the future doctors will thank you for this wonderful invention. And
Thank you.
yeah, and then also I think that you are not only looking for investment, but also looking for strategic partners who can join you to distribute this kind of technologies for medical schools, clinical or hospitals. And
Yes.
then, yeah, right. And then, by the way, which city you are is your ideal selection of this kind of voucher company? Shanghai, Beijing, or Hangzhou? Yeah, you have come from Hangzhou to Seoul, right?
Yes, but I don't really know, because in China, I think Beijing have good governmental background, and it's easy to collaborate with huge governmental structures and partners. In Shanghai, I really love Shanghai's community, because in Shanghai, some interesting and intellectual entertainment. So for me, it's pretty good thing. In Hangzhou, there is a lot of IT and developers. So, and for me, I really don't know, because I think we should find some like big partner. It doesn't matter in which city it will be, but we need of course we need smart money, because if we just grab money, it's not so hard to raise money in the medical market. But we're looking for, of course, smart money and strategic partner. Because if somebody working on, I don't know, a casino, and he invests in us, he will be useless for us, because he don't understand even what we are doing. So of course we need to implement this in Hangzhou, in some pharmacy. My friend showed me this thing. If you have no receipt for some drugs, so you need to come to like an iPad, and doctor will appear on the screen, ask you some questions, how do you feel, blah blah blah, and he make a receipt. Wow, it's telemedicine. And I think it's based on Tencent technologies. So it's pretty cool. So if we can provide added value for them, and they can provide added value for us, it will